Hi friends, this is Kashyap and Viday from Team Sepal. Many of you have been asking of how well Sepal would perform in rains. So today is a good opportunity for us to showcase this product. As you can see, it is quite clouded and it's going to rain very heavily. As you can see, the canopy is long enough to protect the rider as well as the pillion rider. Also, the canopy is wide enough that you don't need any additional protection from the sides. As is the case, you can find many two-wheeler riders taking shelter in this petrol bunk and waiting for the rain to subdue. But as we are having Sepal, we are good to go. Even though it is nothing short of a torrential rain that is happening right now, we can slowly yet steadily reach our destination using Sepal. I would say this kind of a protection from rains for a biker is more than what one can ask for. So that's it guys for today. See you again soon.